everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys how to make some healthy chocolate chip pancakes. They are fluffy, delicious, good for you, no gluten, grains, dairy, but honestly so delicious. You're gonna love this recipe. Let's go ahead and jump in. So to make our pancakes, we're first gonna make our plant-based buttermilk. I'm using hazelnut milk, but you can definitely use almond milk or any kind of nut milk that you have. And we're adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to that, and then we're gonna set that aside so it can culture. In a separate bowl, I am using an egg along with one psyllium egg, honestly because I ran out of eggs for this recipe. You can use 2 eggs, you can use 2 plant-based eggs like a psyllium or a flax egg, or you can do one of each. They all work. Just make sure to allow your egg to gel if you are using a plant-based one. Whisk that together, and then after about 10 minutes of letting your milk sit, whisk that into our egg mixture until it is nice and combined. And then to that, I'm going to be adding in some almond flour. Almond flour is a great flour to use. Not only is it grain-free, gluten-free, but it's loaded with vitamin E, minerals like magnesium, healthy fats, and protein. We're adding in some tapioca flour for the texture as well as some baking powder. And we're gonna whisk this together until the batter is nice and smooth. So this will be a thicker kind of pancake batter than you are perhaps used to. Just keep that in mind. You want it to be this type of texture. So I'm using a 1/4 cup to kind of scoop out my batter onto a pan heated to medium heat that I've added some avocado oil to cook. And then I'm adding in some sugar-free, dairy-free chocolate chips. And once they have lightly browned, I'm flipping them over. So after about 2-3 minutes, you can go ahead and flip them over and you will have these light and fluffy pancakes. I topped it with some vegan butter and some extra chocolate chips. But guys, look how fluffy and delicious they are. They're also freezer friendly, so you can make a batch and pop any extras in the freezer. And then I like to pop them in like the toaster the morning of. But honestly, I love how fluffy and easy they are. They don't taste healthy for you. They just taste like they're just yummy, delicious. And guys, look at that stack. I know you guys like to see the inside. They are so yum. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. When you make this, be sure to tag me on Instagram so I can share all of it. I love posting them on my stories and seeing you guys make these recipes that are not only good for you, but taste insane as well. So I will also leave my last healthy recipe here on the screen so you can get lots more healthy recipe inspiration, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.